Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. So today I'm going to share an activity with you which would really help you to calm down your mind and body. But before sharing that activity, I think it's very important for us to understand that why we need that activity in the first place. So according to WHO report published in 2019, around 7.5% of the Indian population is suffering from mental illness, and they predicted that by the end of 2020 this number would be around 20% of the whole Indian population. This report was published before coronavirus pandemic. So after this pandemic, the number has really increased. It's going to be more than 20% of the people who are going to suffer from mental illness. Again, this number represents only the population who is suffering or going to suffer from mental illness. Apart from that, a large chunk of our population is experiencing stress and anxiety on daily basis. And one of the main reasons for this is the lifestyle we are leading today, which is very chaotic and hectic, such that we don't even have time to eat properly or to take rest or to spend with our families and friends. Also, there is always this constant pressure on us to do good, to do well, no matter you are a student or a working professional or someone who is just sitting at home. And whenever we get that free time in our schedule, the very first thing we do is pick our phone and scroll through social media. I think the social media does a very good job in distracting ourselves and also helping us not to pay attention to things which really matters. So you can see how throughout the day we are constantly engaged or constantly distracted, and we really don't have the time to stop and relax and feel what we are really experiencing from inside. And in long term, this thing is really harmful because we are not getting the time to just relax and unwind ourselves, and eventually it will take a toll on our mental health. So the activity which I'm going to share with you today will really help you to bring your attention to the experiencing you are having now. So it's a very simple and very short exercise, and even if you are somewhere outside your home and you're feeling anxious or very stressed, even at that time you can do this activity. So we will start this activity by sitting in a comfortable position. So wherever you are, sit in a comfortable position and begin with a few inhalation and exhalation. Breathe deeply and slowly for a few times like this. Once you feel completely relaxed, you can start paying attention to your each senses one by one. So you can start with your sight. So you can observe what all things you can see around you. It can be a furniture, it can be a curtain, it can be bed, anything which is around you. Just you have to see it and observe it. After observing all the things which is around you, you can start paying attention to different kind of smells. What are the different things you can smell? It can be a perfume, it can be smell of any flower, of any plant which is outside your room. You have to pay attention then to all these smells. After that comes your sense of taste. What all taste can you feel in your tongue at this moment? You have to sense them. You can also eat something or drink something to see what kind of texture it has and what kind of taste it has for this activity. After your sense of taste, we will move to our sense of hearing. So we are going to pay attention to different kind of sounds around us. Maybe someone is talking outside your room. Maybe you can hear someone honking at the road. Maybe you can hear bird chirping, or you can hear the sound of your own breath. So we have to pay attention to each of the sound. So after that, we will move to our sense of touch. So what all kind of sensation you can feel in your body, you have to notice that. Maybe you're wearing something, so when that fabric touches your skin, so how does it feel on your skin? So maybe your foot are on the floor, so what kind of sensation you can feel on your foot. So like this, you have to notice different kind of sensation which you can feel on your body. So like this, we are going to pay attention to all the 5 senses of our body. This activity is very small, and each of us can dedicate at least 5 minutes to this activity, and it's really very effective if we do it on a daily basis. So please try this activity. See you next time.